You might have come across the myth of spot reduction, the supposed ability to lose fat in one specific area of the body. However, experts from Forbes Health unanimously debunk this myth, stating that whole-body weight loss strategies are far more effective. You can't just order your body to burn fat from your thighs alone. It doesn't quite work that way. Creating a calorie deficit is a crucial step in this process. It's a simple formula, really. Burn more calories than you consume. This creates an energy shortage in your body, forcing it to use stored fat as fuel. And voila, you're on your way to losing that stubborn thigh fat. But it's not just about eating less, it's about eating right. A diet rich in fiber, protein, and electrolytes is key to supporting your weight loss journey. According to experts from Women's Health, these nutrients not only keep you feeling full and satisfied, but also help maintain your muscle mass during weight loss. On the flip side, reducing your intake of carbs and salt can help prevent water retention, which often manifests as bloating around your thighs. Exercise, of course, plays a pivotal role here. Incorporating strength training exercises, such as squats and lunges, can help tone your legs and thighs. These exercises challenge your muscles, boosting your metabolism and accelerating fat burn. Now, you might be thinking, what about those stubborn pockets of fat that just won't budge? Well, lipedema and cellulite are two conditions that can make thigh fat seemingly resistant to diet and exercise. If you suspect that you might have one of these conditions, it's best to consult a doctor. Stress management and social support are often overlooked aspects of weight loss. Chronic stress can mess with your hormones and lead to weight gain, especially around your midsection. Having a solid support system can help keep you motivated and accountable. In conclusion, losing thigh fat is not about quick fixes or isolated efforts. It's about a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and a supportive social network. It's a journey, not a destination. So take it one step at a time, and remember, consistency is key. You've got this.